It's funny. It's really cold out right now. About like maybe 22 degrees, I think. Getting a little warmer. But it's funny how we get addicted to TV, to sex, to drugs, to other things. And we never realize that with the power we have in our mind. Our mind can either be our greatest weapon, to where cold weather like this doesn't really bother me. It's a little uncomfortable, but it's manageable. Or it can be your greatest prisoner, your greatest prison that you'll never get out of. And you'll always be addicted to things and items, and you'll never be able to satisfy that addiction or that hunger. So always remember, your brain can either be your greatest prison or your greatest weapon.